Welcome back, everybody. My name again is Tashanda Giles-Jones, and today we're going to talk about how to get started in gardening. The first thing you want to think about is your zone. That is your planting zone. This will tell you the climate that you're growing in. In a large city, there could be multiple climate zones, and within those zones, microclimates. So don't assume that you can replicate what a friend is growing a few miles away just because you're in the same city. For instance, Los Angeles has about 6 different zones just within its county. Second, you want to think about your space. A space is really important. How close or far are you from water source? Are you growing in a large open space, on a windowsill, a balcony? You want to think about wind and how it tunnels through your space. Does your space have a large tree that blocks full sun? All of these things are important to think about in the success of your crops. Third, you want to think about seasons. There are 2 main seasons in gardening: cool season and warm season. And depending on the crop that you're going to grow, it'll do best in one or the other. But don't think that just because a seed packet will tell you that a crop grows its best in the cool season doesn't mean it won't have a chance in between cool and warm. If you are ready to take your gardening journey a little further, check out one of Kiss the Ground's regenerative gardening courses. Happy gardening!